there's only a couple of things that we can do to grow our businesses, and that is, those top three things, which is increase the amount of the transaction by raising your rates, increase the frequency of transactions, so offering more options, follow up, offering more repairs at the time of service, which will also increase your transaction amount, the amount, and then increase the number of transactions. So whether it be get more customers, or once again upping that transaction amount by, they can all be tied into one if you're offering multiple options on every single service call. I think that's the top three, if I remember properly, but that's not really what I wanted to talk about, because right now during busy season, we are in the heart of the summer. It's not the transactions is not a problem. I mean, you have people that this is the time of need for your service if you own a heating and air conditioning company. And because this is the time of need, it comes a lot easier right now than it does during cooler months, where the temperature is mild and, people can open windows. They don't need air conditioning and they don't need heating because it's just not hot enough, or not cold enough. But anyhow, I didn't want to talk about that. What I wanted to talk about is, as the number of transactions and the amount of the transaction and the number of new clients coming into your business, and all this stuff is happening during the summer, the thing that we really have to focus on is maintaining our processes. Because how many times have you done an installation where you don't have what you need? Once you you start digging into the installation, you find that you didn't have everything you needed. So that creates extra time on the job that you shouldn't have had to pay for because you had to leave the job to go get something. This was a huge problem for my company as we started to grow. We found that, it was like 8 times out of 10, we didn't have everything on the installation. I think most business owners, as you grow and the amount of business that you do increases, this is a natural thing that happens. So we really dug down and focused on getting our vehicles stocked, making a stock list, and then focused down on getting the processes so everything was ready to be pulled from our shop prior to the installation. That way we had everything we need. So we made up a checklist that we use whenever we're selling a job. That way everything is covered, and now it's like 1 out of 10 we don't have what we need. And so and that's it's probably actually less than that, because it's probably 1 out of 20. The majority of the time we have what we need because we prepared for it. It's back to that same old saying, the failing to plan is planning to fail. You'll increase your bottom line by getting the job done in a timely manner, and you'll be able to schedule stuff, around that stuff a lot easier, because you can kind of plan on how long the jobs are going to take. So I hope this was some value to you and made you think, and I hope that you have some processes in place so you can make the most out of your summer. That way you're not running like crazy all the time, running for parts that you don't have. So guys, go out and have a great day and go make money.